Hello and welcome to GameMX Motion Web Monitoring. Use your credentials to log into the interface. The first screen you see is an automatically generated map of your stations. Click any pin and go directly to station details. You can do the same by clicking on the station name from the left menu. Next screen shows station info such as charging cycles, charging duration and inside and outside temperature. Green button on the top shows station status and it turns red when there is alarm registered for the station. If you click the red button, it shows you alarms for selected time period for the station. Below is date filter, which you can use to change the time frame. By default, the time frame is for the current day. Next few lines the system uses to count last charge, average power for all cycles, total power used and charging cycles. First graph is used to display last 15 charging durations. Next graph displays last 15 measured energies. Each graph bar shows bus number below it because the system recognizes each bus before it starts to charge it, but this option requires additional hardware. Bottom graph displays several temperatures depending on charging station hardware configuration. Blue line represents outside temperature for all stations. Last but not least, there is a print button and newsletter. On the bottom right corner there is a gray box which is used to get you at the top of the page. Below the left menu there is a UC types legend which displays all different types of ultracapacitors used in the buses. The right eBus menu displays all charged buses for the selected station and time frame. If we get back to the home page, on the right there is another menu used for system tuning. The first option lets you change the station names. The second option displays your fleet info. The third option is alarm reports. It is used to display all alarms for client stations. Here you need to select time frame, station, and hit apply filter. All printed lines can be printed out using print button or export to Excel button to get them in an exported file. The fourth option is settings. It allows you to make changes to home page map. The fifth option allows the user to change the password given him by GameMX Motion. The sixth option logs you out of the system. Also, you can use the green button on top right corner of the page. In case of charging park stations, the operator has option for additional monitoring. Stations 2, 7 and 10 are colored dark green, currently charging at full power. Stations 1 and 4 are colored light green, currently charging at low power. Stations 3 and 8 are colored yellow, currently idle, and ready to charge at full power. Station 5 is colored light yellow, currently idle, and ready to charge at low power. Station 6 gray, turned off. Station 9 red, there is active alarm and should be checked. Below and above charging station there is bar graph with current state of charge with 20% step. Each station shows the number of the bus currently charging and power consumption. Click on any station number to view more info. The operator has access to 3 diagrams: temperature log for the current charging process, energy log for the current charging process, bar graphs for the power of each charged e-bus on this station. A click on each diagram shows it in details. Another view is the admin report. Here there are no limitations for the graphs. You can generate report for the current or the previous year if needed. According to the requirements for each charging park, additional functionality can be applied. For example, prediction for the remaining time to full vehicle state of charge, maintenance reminder, energy management, etc. In case of other demands, please contact us.